Hey, I just stumbled upon this new AI toolkit called Propell AI Kit, and it's really interesting.
Oh yeah? What's it all about?
Well, it's this all-in-one marketing kit that includes over 200 AI tools. Yeah,
Seriously?
and it's aimed at helping businesses grow without prior tech skills.
Wait, 200 tools? Isn't that like a bit too much?
I thought the same, but they claim it's super user-friendly, designed for newbies, so
Hmm,
even beginners can use it without any hassle.
okay. But what kinds of tools are we talking about?
Oh, a whole range: content creation, email marketing, video creation, image generation, even tools for writing ad copy. It's pretty
Wow,
comprehensive.
that does sound impressive. But are these tools any good? Or are they just basic versions?
Good question. They're powered by ChatGPT 4, which is, the latest AI tech, so
Right.
the quality should be decent.
And what's the cost for all of this?
Here's the kicker. It's a one-time fee of $17. Yeah, no monthly
No
subscriptions or
way.
anything.
That sounds almost too good to be true. How are they sustaining that?
I guess they're banking on volume and offering it as a limited time launch deal to get a lot of
Ah,
users quickly.
makes sense from a marketing angle. But do you think there might be a catch?
Possibly. I mean, sometimes these offers are, heavy on hype and light on
Yeah,
actual value.
exactly. And managing 200 tools might be overwhelming, don't you think?
That's a fair concern. But they claim it's all integrated into one dashboard. So maybe it's more streamlined than it sounds.
Maybe still, I wonder if focusing on a few high quality tools might be better than having so many.
Well, it's like having a toolbox. Sometimes you need different tools for different jobs, and
True.
it's nice to have them all in one place.
Yeah, but if you have too many tools, you might spend more time deciding which one to use
Haha,
exactly.
analysis paralysis. Good point, but for beginners, having options might be helpful, especially if they're not sure
Mm-hmm.
what they need yet.
That's fair. Did they mention any success stories or testimonials?
Yeah, they claim their beta testers made $238 a day using it,
Really?
but we should probably take that with a grain of salt.
Definitely. Those numbers can be a bit exaggerated sometimes.
Right, but they do offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's
That's
some safety
reassuring.
net.
True? Do they have any training or support?
Yes, they mentioned step-by-step video training and ultra-fast support, so hopefully
Nice.
they help users get started.
Okay, that makes it more appealing. But I still wonder about the quality of each individual tool.
Yeah, that's something we can only assess by trying it out. For 17s, it might be worth the experiment,
Yeah,
especially if it can save time and money in the long run.
you're right. Worst case, we lose a couple of coffees worth of money.
Exactly. And who knows, it might actually be a game changer. Maybe we're
True.
overthinking it.
Possibly. Sometimes you just have to take the leap.
Now that I think about it, we might be missing out if we don't give it a shot, especially
Yeah,
since AI is advancing so rapidly.
agreed. We should probably keep up with the trends or risk
Definitely.
falling behind.
Well, let's do it then. Let's get the Propel AI kit and see what it's all about. We can
All
learn
right,
and maybe even find some gems in there.
sounds like a plan. And if it's not great, at least we'll have first-hand experience to share with others.
Exactly. Knowledge is power, right?
Haha, now who's using cliches?
Guilty as charged. But seriously, embracing new tools can only help us grow and improve our
True.
skills.
So when do we start?
How about we dive in tonight? I'll get the
Perfect.
popcorn ready. Why not? Makes everything more fun. Let's make it
Haha,
an AI
okay.
party.
You're on. Can't wait to see what we can create with 200 AI tools at our disposal.
Yeah, who knows? Maybe we'll become overnight marketing geniuses, but it's worth
Or
a try.
not. Absolutely. Well, here's to new adventures. And embracing the future, let's make the most of it.
Cheers. All right, talk to you later then. We'll reconvene tonight.
Sounds good. See you soon.